Hello everybody, I'm introducing you to condo Posada Rio Cuale. This is the unit 405 with wraparound terrace. It's a very large two bathroom, about 200 square meters, which will be around over 2,000 square feet. This unit is only for long term or 6+ months. It could be a seasonal rental. Two bathroom with large kitchen, granite countertops, washer and dryer, laundry room there, second bedroom, shower, second bedroom with king size bed, large flat screen TV, closet space, master bedroom, closet space, balcony here with your table and chairs, ensuite bathroom. This unit is 2 blocks from Los Muertos Beach, so if you need to be in Vallarta for a long time, you can rent this unit. You don't have to have a car. There is also parking, very nice common areas, common pool. If you want more information on this property, please log on to Puerto Vallarta Property Rentals and look for Posada Rio Cuale.